All right, you guys, let's go. All right, class.
Yes.
We're gonna go through and do the review for this examen.
Are you sure that the mic's recording?
No, I'm not.
Okay. We'll find out after.
Yeah, you'll find out after.
Okay.
Latitude New York City is 41 degrees north. Lima, Peru is 12 degrees south. Earth has a radius of 6,400 kilometers. Find the north-south distance in between the two cities. Now, first, how many degrees are those apart?
53.
53, because one's north, the other one's south, and so they're going in opposite directions. So I'm going to add together the 41 and 12. So I'm going to get S equals R times my theta, which is going to be 53 degrees. But wait, there's more. Can it be in degrees?
No, you have to convert it to radians.
Convert it to radians. So can I just do that right here?
Yeah.
And since this is a show your work type of problem, this is how much work I really need to see.
Okay.
Instead of just shaking your head, you should be put it in the calculator.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
What's up?
So
I
for
was like, why are you there?
the what's it called, like north-south thing? So if they're going away from each, wait, how do you know if you're supposed to have?
Okay, so
If you add them
one
up-
goes south, the other goes north. Are they going away from each other? Say yes.
Yes.
Okay, so because think of yourself at the equator.
But what if it's like the north and east?
Think of it like this. So if I'm going same way, how far is it in between my fingers here? So, okay, look at my arms. Okay, my arms. This is how it's going to work out. You ready? Okay, so going in opposite directions, and so I'm going that way and that way. So to figure that out, I need to add those two distances together, right? Both arms. Yes. Okay, now I'm going to go same direction. And so this one subtract. So if they're going in the same direction, you subtract.
So if it's like north and north?
What's it?
That's-
You would subtract.
What did you get?
So the
Only
example we
when
did
it's the
in,
same one.
huh?
Like if it was east to east, but it can't
Oh.
be like northeast, right?
No, because those are different. Those we're not doing those the same.
Okay, so if it was northeast,
No, we're not doing any
we're not
east.
getting.
We're not doing any east. We're not doing any west. We're doing north south. That's it. That's all these problems are just north south. We could do east west if they were directly on the same line, but we're not. So we're just talking about north south. Okay? All right. So what do we get after we plug this in the calculator?
103.326.
103.
Point 326.
Hold on.
I don't think that's enough.
Yeah, I believe that is off by a couple thousand.
Did you multiply all these together?
Yeah.
I got the same thing.
I did not get the same thing.
Oh.
What'd you get? Yeah, 59. I got 5,920.
Oh, because you put the degree symbol.
Oh.
Don't put the degree symbol.
Okay.
Yeah, see, Daddy, you were making a
Bruh.
foolish mistake, bro.
I mean, it's right there.
Alright, you got it right.
Yeah.
Okay, 5920.
They can't blame me. It's right there.
But we have to convert it.
I thought like automatically do that.
Nope. Alrighty. Number dose. A belt runs a pulley. Radius is 5 centimeters. 60 revolutions per minute. So, let's see. I have radius is 5. 1 revolution per minute. Every revolution is how much?
360.
Not 360 because we're in radians.
2 pi.
2 pi. Every revolution is 2 pi because we're talking about in radians. So if there is 60 of those, that means I'm going to have how many? Say it again. 120 pi, and that's going to be rad, right?
Yeah.
That's rad
Right
per
per minute.
minute. That's important. What variable did that represent? As long as I don't have my earbuds in and trying to listen to that instead of math. What is that? What variable? You know you can still use your notes right now. You don't have to take guesses at stuff.
Okay, my fault.
Oh, yeah, no.
Hey, no worries. Hey, that's what we're doing. So you study with your notes and test. You should be good. That is W. That is my English speed W. So that is my W there.
Dang, you took my 3.4 and you didn't never give it back.
Oh, did I?
Yeah.
Where did I put it?
Now, option A. It says find the angular speed, which is my W, of the pulley in radians per second. So right now I have it set up in per minute, don't I? Say yes.
Yeah.
So I got to convert that to per second. So that's going to turn into 120 pi over 1, right? 1 minute. And I want to cancel out the minutes. So where does minutes have to go if I want to cancel it out?
It's on top. And
On
it's
top. So 1 minute is on top
And then 60 seconds is going to be
and
bottom.
60 seconds. And when I do this, minutes will cancel. And do the math. Leave it in terms of pi. So that means don't put the pi in there. Don't put the pi in it. Slap the pi on the end. That's what terms of pi means. And what do we come up with?
2 pi.
2 pi. That's 2 pi rad, right? Per,
Second.
there you go, per second. Make sense or nonsense?
That makes sense.
We good?
Yeah.
Okay. Find linear speed. What variable is linear speed? V, yes, it is V. So, do I have a formula that I could use given I only have 2 variables here?
R times W.
RW, right? So V is equal to RW. V equals my R, which is 5. My W, which is going to be, and it says per second, doesn't it?
Yes.
So, am I going to use this W over here or the one that's already in per second?
Per second.
Yeah, I want the per second one. So it's going to be 2 pi, right? And that's rad per second. Hola, ¿cómo está usted? Está muy bien.
You just be saying anything.
I know, right? Yo, get a song. All right, Abraham, you got another one.
No.
So multiply those out, and I should get 10 pi, and that's going to be,
So meters per second.
what are my units?
Radius and seconds.
Centimeters per second.
Centimeters? Why is it centimeters?
Because it's in
Says
radius
so.
feet.
Because I'm multiplying. Velocity is a distance, right? Distance over time, and my distance is 5 centimeters, isn't it? So that's important, yes. You good?
Yeah, I thought it out.
Okay. Hey, no worries. Anyone else? No?
Like actually,
Go ahead.
so in the first one, it says W equals 125. What is that?
Okay. One revolution. You ready?
Oh, okay, it's 120 rating, right? To go fully around.
Yeah. Because each one of those is 2 pi.
Okay, but what is W stand for?
Angular speed. That's the how many radians does it go per minute or per second? So it's the angle changing over time. Yes? It's good. All right, good. Evaluate the 6 circular functions of angle theta given points at which the ray passes through theta from the origin. This should be pretty super easy.
Oh.
What is cosine here?
Cosine is just x.
And so that's going to be what?
Negative ratio over 2.
Okay. After that, let's go with sine.
That's y. Negative ratio over 2.
Tangent.
That's 1 or negative. Yeah, no 1. Because it's negative ratio over 2 divided by negative ratio over 2.
Yeah, so it's y over x, right?
Yes, it's 1.
And since I have both the same things, right?
It's 1.
Yeah, it is going to be positive 1. Good job.
I can kill you.
I know, right?
It was
Wow.
making-
Why did it go dark? Seriously.
I don't know.
Like threatened to kill him because he gave you a thumbs up for getting a right answer.
No. He turned around and he was like.
It was a little joke, a little bit tongue.
Now, these next ones,
The reciprocals are.
reciprocal. So let's talk about cosecant. Cosecant, or actually, let's go secant first.
Yeah.
Secant is the reciprocal of which one?
I mean,
Cosine, right? Reciprocal of cosine. So my cosine is negative rad 2 over 2, right? So all I do is take that one and flip it.
oh, you gotta hold on, slow down. You gotta rationalize it.
Yes, we have to rationalize because we cannot have a radical in the bottom, right?
Yeah.
So let's multiply top bottom by rad 2, which is going to give me negative 2.
Ratio over 2.
And what's going to happen to those 2's?
They cancel out, so it's just negative.
And so my answer just gives me,
Negative ratio.
Yeah, do that.
look at that. Man, isn't that nice? Yes.
What's that called again?
Rationalizing.
Rationalizing. All right, the next one's going to be cosecant.
Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's gonna be the same thing.
Is it the reciprocal of which one?
The other one.
Of sine, right? It's reciprocal of sine. So it's going to give me negative 2 over rad 2, again rationalizing. And cotangent. Cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent. What's the reciprocal of 1?
Negative 1?
No, that's opposite.
One?
Reciprocal is flip it over. Watch, you ready? I'm gonna flip it over. I'm gonna do the 1. I'm gonna do it upside down. There we go.
Wow.
I know, right?
It's crazy.
I know. You guys good about that? You guys feel good here? Okay, so make sure you guys all like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button, and support my channel. Buy stuff from my merch store.